Hello friends, welcome to Rushkeshwar channel. At last video we have completed exercise 3.2. So in this video we are going to complete exercise 3.3 or half of the part we are going to complete in this video. So before going to exercise 3.3, so before that we are going to learn some definitions and some topics about that. So let's start. Okay, in that the method is prime factorization method. What is this prime factorization method is when a number is expressed as a product of its factors. So if suppose a number is there, that product is 42. So normally, 42 is the product, right? So for this product, we should write the factors. I think you know about factors and multiples. So what are the factors means the number which is divisible in which table. Those are factors. So these are also very easy if you know the divisibility rules. If you want to know the divisibility rules, go to my first video of math and you can check it. So divisibility rule. What's the divisibility rule of 2? Okay. Divisibility rule of 2 is the number which has to be in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it will go in 2. Sum of the digits is 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits. 4 plus 2, 6. So 3 it will go. 4 it will not go. 5 it will not go. 6 it will go again. Because 2, 3 it's going right. So 6 it will go. 7. So in 7 also it will go. So sometimes you should not depend on divisibility rules. You can calculate with tables. Okay. So like that, in 7 table also it will. So in 7 table it will go. So 7 it will go. So 8 it will not go. 9 it will not go. So last is 42 only directly. Okay. So like that, these are the factors. Factors for 42. Okay. So for this number we got 42 factors. We got factors as these 2, 3, 6, 7, 42. So in this also we have two methods. So in this prime factorization method also we have two methods. So one is shortcut division method and second one is factor tree method. So we'll learn about those two methods also. So take the screenshot or you can write in a notebook. Okay friends, hope you all completed. So now we'll erase the board and we'll know about the factor tree method and shortcut division method. Okay. Next, in this also we have two types. First one is shortcut division method. And second one is factor tree method. So what is meant by shortcut division method? Shortcut division method is also like normal division method only, but for normal division method where the symbol is different, but for this division method will wear another division method symbol. So once I'll show you that symbol. So for normal division methods we'll wear like this. So here something divisor and here is dividend or something. So here the quotient sum will be and remainder also something it will get. So this is the normal division, but here we'll do like this. Okay, you'll may confuse why you are doing here and why you are doing like this in shortcut division method. So here the given number it will be, okay. Here what in which table it will go, that here it will be, and at the down step how much times it will go, here it will be, and this also in which table it will go and how much times it will go. Until that we need to do the same process until we will get 1. So here we need to get 0, but here we need to get 1. Okay. So once I will explain the definition of shortcut division method. Okay. Note down in your classwork or anything. So normally now I told, right, those only you can write or you can understand. So for that I am taking the example. What is the example for that? 42 I am taking the example. So shortcut division method. So we need to do 42 as shortcut division method. So let's do it. So I am doing here 42. So here also we can use the divisibility methods. So in 2 table it will go 21 2s are 42. So again 3 7s are 21. So I told, right, here the number will be, here how many, in which table it will go, here it will be, and how many times in the particular table how many times it will go, here it will be. And for this also we need to do the same process. So 7 1s are. So we got 1, right? So we can stop the process. Normally here the same number should be here also. So next let us do the let us find the factors for it. So let us find the factors now. So this is the division method, and here I am giving you a caution. What is it means? So if here one number is only there, then here only one digit of 1 will come. If suppose here 42 and 18 is there, we can do for this also, like these two will cancel in the same table, right? 2 21s are, so 2 9s are, and this will also cancel. 3 7s are, 3 3s are. So 7 1s are 3, 3 1 1. So here we got the same digits. Wait a minute, I will 3 1s are. So here we got ones, right? So if here is one digit on, if here only one number is there, it will come. Here if it is two numbers, then it will come 2 ones. So if the number is increased, then the value of 1 will also increase. Okay friends, take the screenshot or write a note or make a note in the classwork or any book. Okay. Okay friends, hope you have completed. So I am now going to erase the board now. Next, factor tree method. So what is meant by factor tree method? This is also same like that, but here one number will be, and we will take this into two parts, and here how many, in which table it will go, and here how many times it will go. Okay, same process but different step. Okay, now we will take the example now. 16. I am taking example as 60. Okay, do 60 in the factor tree method. So let us do it in the factor tree method. Okay friends, let us do it in factor tree method. So I am wearing it in factor tree method. 60. Okay, 60. So we can divide into two parts. So what is, it will go in two table 30 times. It will go in two table. Okay, I think for it it's not visible clearly. To 30 times it will go. Next, this 30 is divided into again two times. 3 tens are 30. So I am continuing this here because I have no space here. So that's why. So this here I am writing 3. So because you need to understand, right? So this 10 is divided into again two parts. 2 5s are. Okay, now these are the numbers. So we can take only these numbers only. This left side numbers only we can take because they are only the prime numbers what we will get. Okay, so now let us write. If we multiply these all, we need to get the product is this. So once we will multiply, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. We go. How will we get? Okay. This is not same. Somewhere we got wrong. Okay. This will go in the two table, right? I forgot that. Wait. It will go in the three table. Not only three table, it will go in two table also. Wait. 2 15s are it will go. And wait here, I will last change here. 2 and here is 15. 3 5s are. Now we can take 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So we got here 60. Okay. Okay. Now we got the product is 60 for these all. So once I will write the step 2 into. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 15 we got 60 the product. So you can take the screenshot or note down in the book. Okay. Now let us go to exercise 3.3. So let us start exercise 3.3. So let us go to exercise 3.3. Let's start. Exercise 3.3. So we'll go to the exercise 3.3 first bit. What is the first bit here? In this in first bit we have first. I'll tell you the first one. You can write. You can do second one as the yourself. Okay. write the missing numbers in the factor tree for 90. So here for 90 we need to write the missing factors for factor tree method. So here they gave the missing numbers as, so this 90 they divided in 9 tens are, okay, and they divided this also. What will be here? What will be here? They have asked us. So we can find it easily. So in 9, 3 table, how many times it will go? Let's count. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9 it will go. Okay. So here the missing number is 3. Next. For 10, 2 ones are 2 ones 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. 10 times it will go. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is the first bit in first one. Okay. Please take the screenshot or note down. Okay friends, with this I am ending the video. So, but don't miss to subscribe, share and like this video and subscribe my channel please. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to everyone and like every video. Okay friends, bye. Have a nice day.